So back again, Emoji Gaming. So this time I tried to skip the previous PC games in this just pretty long. It's around 16 minutes, so I decided to move on into the latest unboxing that I just recently did. So it is one of the most expensive keycaps that I tried to buy because I previously didn't notice that I actually spent a lot of money for my trip with college friend during this month. So I think after this I will definitely didn't make any purchase that basically quite expensive. So this is the MT3 Keycaps, the Susuwatari color design. So it is basically one of my favorite colorway since it's kind of look like the stylus from the Aku, but it's better since it kind of have the profile or the inspiration from the IBM leaf spring keycaps, which is pretty much retro glossy keycaps. Sorry if it, but yeah, this one of the entry-level premium keycaps, I guess. So it's made of ABS instead of BBT, and it's since this is actually second-hand, so most of the keycaps are already a little bit glossy, but it's okay since I don't actually can differentiate between the glossy keycaps and not, because it seems to be, because yeah, the lighting on my rooms are pretty dark, so just when I try to use it, maybe it's not really matters for some reason. But yeah, when I first see, so the impression it's, well, it still feel like the SE profile that I used to bought, which is the GMK Ponyo clone, which is basically less than half of this price for some reason for secondhand. But I'm not sure whether the MT3 profile is really look like the IBM leaf spring or the Commodore keyboard or not. But I think it's always looked differently for some reason. But hopefully it's better, because I will currently use it on my Canon K4 non-hot swappable RGB aluminum wireless keyboard, which has the 96% layout or 1800 layout keyboard, which is basically quite retro if you talk about 1800 layout keyboard, but it is not the exact 1800 original layout keyboard, which is a little bit weird for some reason, and it is actually produced for a custom mechanical keyboard, I guess, or what is called as, I don't know, Tor keyboard, I'm not sure, but it's pretty expensive since it's full aluminum, unlike the K4, which is just aluminum shell. So yeah, that's the reason why. So it's only 4 minutes unboxing video, because it's just to make sure every keycaps is just like really complete without any missing, hopefully, because that's the point. If you see a lot of keycaps at the same time, it's just hard to get detailed one by one. It's just making the unboxing video very long for understanding things. So yeah, that's it. So it was produced by Drop Company from the US. So yeah,